To instantly make a sticker from a photo on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the desired photo that contains with the object you want to turn into a sticker. Long tap on the object in the photo and let your phone automatically detect and outline the object. And then select Save as Sticker. If needed, you can add a sticker style to your sticker for a better look. As the example, we will select Outline. Next, tap the button to add it to your sticker collection. To use your sticker, open a messaging app like WhatsApp. Tap the text field to show up the keyboard. Tap emoji icon above the keyboard. And then tap the blue icon with start to see your sticker collection. Tap the sticker you have just made. And then tap send to send it in the chat. As a note, making custom sticker from your own photo is a fun way to personalize your chat. With just a long press, you can instantly cut out objects from photos, save them as sticker, and then use them in messages for a unique touch. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.